Welcome back to Gear Run, the place where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in the world of vehicles. Today we're taking a close look at the 2025 Mazda CX-5, a compact SUV that continues to stand out in a very competitive segment. Known for its sharp styling and premium feel, the CX-5 gets a few updates for 2025 that make it an even more attractive option for drivers who want a balanced mix of performance, comfort, and technology. The design of the 2025 Mazda CX-5 stays true to its sleek and refined roots. With smooth curves, an aggressive front grille, and signature LED lighting, the vehicle maintains a premium appearance that rivals some luxury brands. Mazda has added new color options this year and some subtle tweaks to the exterior details that enhance its modern look. The CX-5 continues to offer a sporty yet mature aesthetic that appeals to a wide range of drivers. Under the hood, the CX-5 comes with two engine options. The standard is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder that delivers around 187 horsepower, which is perfect for daily driving and commuting. For those looking for more excitement, the turbocharged 2.5-liter version is still available, pushing out up to 256 horsepower with premium fuel. Both engines are paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive is now standard across all trims, giving drivers added confidence in all kinds of weather conditions. When it comes to ride quality, the CX-5 impresses with its smooth and responsive handling. Mazda has fine-tuned the suspension to deliver a ride that's both comfortable and engaging. It feels tight and composed in corners, but it's never harsh over rough pavement. The cabin remains quiet and well insulated, making long drives more enjoyable whether you're on city streets or out on the highway. Inside, the 2025 CX-5 continues to shine with its upscale interior. Soft touch materials, stylish trim accents, and a clean layout give it a near-luxury feel. Higher trims come with features like leather seats, a power-adjustable driver's seat with memory settings, and ambient lighting. The rear seats offer plenty of legroom and are comfortable even for taller passengers. Cargo space is decent for the class, with a practical layout and easy folding rear seats to expand storage when needed. In terms of technology, the CX-5 is well equipped. A 10.25-inch infotainment display is standard and supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system is controlled through a rotary dial, which some drivers may need a bit of time to get used to, but it helps reduce distractions while driving. Optional features include a premium Bose sound system, a wireless phone charger, and a head-up display that projects key info right onto the windshield. Safety is also a strong suit for the CX-5. Mazda's iActiveSense suite of driver assistance features is standard on all models. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking. These systems work together to provide peace of mind whether you're driving through the city or on a road trip. Overall, the 2025 Mazda CX-5 doesn't try to reinvent the wheel, but it does refine everything that made it a fan favorite in the first place. With strong performance, a premium interior, solid tech features, and a stylish design, it continues to be one of the top choices in its class. Thanks for watching Gear Run. If you enjoyed the video and want more updates on the latest cars, reviews, and comparisons, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. See you in the next one right here on Gear Run.